If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that sub button for more amazing content. Now, let's jump straight into the video.
What's good, YouTube, and welcome back to another YouTube video. It's your girl Bofina1 doing another POV in my 2023 Hyundai Sonata. So let's get on straight into it. This is kind of like before kind of rush hour traffic, Friday night. Friday, I guess you say like right after work type status. Let's go in this Mercedes, boy. So yeah, doing me a little POV right now. It is currently 4:11 p.m. So I wanted to go ahead and get out here before it gets, traffic get a little too thick. But anyway, pretty much I just wanted to get on here. Like I said, I dropped another video. It had like 8. It didn't get as many views. I'm not really sure. Maybe it was the time of day or whatever, but so far though, the watch time on the first video has been pretty good. So we're just gonna try to keep going from there. But yeah, essentially what I really wanted to get on here and talk to y'all about is, I know there's a lot of videos out there right now that talk a lot about essentially, how do people get cars? Is credit really as big of a deal as you think it is? I would say credit has always been a big deal, but especially now, it's probably a bigger deal just because with the current interest rates, like most places right now, you only gonna get the most, I would say like the lowest 6%. That's the lowest you're gonna get, is probably like 6%. And that's like if you have really good credit, like, upper 7s, 800. But the biggest thing I would say when going to the dealer is do not put money down. A lot of people I feel like that's how most people get finessed. They feel like they need to go to the dealer and they need to put money down. And in all reality, you really should not put no money down, because the money down really, it helps the dealership. Because for every $1,000 that you put down, only $20 come off of like your monthly payment. So you know what I'm saying? So like, let's say you want your note to be $100 less, right? Cool, right? It could be $100 less. But in order for you to get that note $100 less per month, that means you'd have to put down $5K. Like, that's a crazy amount of money, when it's like you could have just held on to that $5K, put it into the market, probably made more money, or hold on to that $5K and just pay an extra $100 or so, per month. You get what I'm saying? So when you put money down, it really helps the dealers. That's why they be asking about that. Really, it doesn't, it helps you, I guess, because there's also other options. You got to think about it too. Like other options, meaning that if you want to stretch out your loan term, right? So instead of maybe 72 months, maybe you see if you can get like 84 months. Maybe 84 months might be better for you. There's different ways to try to lower your monthly note. Maybe getting a used car, right? So instead of getting the latest and greatest 2024, maybe you get you a 2022, right? A couple year old car. Because the biggest thing a lot of people don't realize is that a lot of these cars, in all reality, they don't really change that much. Meaning, like, from year to year, they don't change. I would say you start to see the biggest change with cars after like 5 years, right? So like, for example, this Hyundai Sonata, I have a 2017 Hyundai Accent. You can definitely see the difference in the cars because it's been like, 6 years. But like 1 to 2 years, nah, so a lot of time, unless it's going over like a major like facelift, you're not gonna see a huge, I was wondering, I'm like, what's going on up here? You're not gonna see like a huge difference. And so that's why I would say maybe getting like a certified pre-owned car that's a couple years older, trying different things like that to maybe try to lower your note. Because new cars have the most depreciation value, like just overall, period, like point blank period. They have the most depreciation. It's like 20% as soon as you drive off the lot, which is something that, I know moving forward, that's probably what I would do. I probably would get me a gently used car before buying a brand new car again, just because the depreciation is so much. Like if you buy that car 1 to 2 years old, you've let somebody else take that hit. And another thing too, which I didn't even know, and I'm just like ranting, right? I'm driving, just ranting. But I didn't know, places like CarMax are great for that. Because a lot of time those are places that people have, either cars have gotten like repossessed or, the cars have gotten like repossessed, or it's like, that's a car that person has been leasing, right? So, there's a lot of different options out there. And it's just like, I just feel like it's a lot of stuff that, they just don't talk about in school, like financial, like stuff that actually really like, what I'm saying? Like that's the stuff, let's see if I can get over. That's the stuff that actually really matters in the end. Boy, this traffic, these people driving slow as heck today. It's like 4 o'clock. It is crazy because I just got some gas and I'm like, dang, everybody named mama at the gas station right now. Like, it's crazy, but I feel it though. I mean, it's nice out. Today's Friday. Well, Friday when I'm recording this. I don't know if I'm gonna drop it today. You guys may not see this until maybe Saturday or so, but like, summer was officially yesterday. It's Thursday. So it's like, everybody and their mom want to be out and about. Heck, I want to be out and about. Shoot, I don't want to be inside, Like people say, I want to be outside. Yeah, I want to be. What is up with this person? Like, why are they braking so far back? Dang. People like this make me nervous because it's like, why are you braking so far back? Like from the other car? Like, that's what I wanted to do next. I'm thinking I might do like over the weekend, since I'll probably be off for a little while, is doing like a late night POV or something, or like expressway POV, do something like that. I think that'd be nice. I think that'd be great. But this traffic is like, it's crawling right here, and it really, I feel like it shouldn't be. But for some apparent reason, it is. But yeah. I don't know, I just want to get on here and just kind of like rant about that, because I think that's a big thing, is like, they don't talk about that in the school system, is credit. Credit means more than cash. You can leverage with your credit, so it's like, I can go finance something because I'm able to leverage my credit. I've shown the banks, I've shown, whatever, that I can pay my bills on time, so they'll give me the loan, they'll give me this without me having to put money down or whatever. So credit is definitely a big thing, especially in this economy, just because interest rates are so freaking high right now. Like, everything is like crazy high right now. Like, interest rates, everything is like crazy high right now. Like, you're literally paying an arm and a leg. It's like if you just look back, a couple years ago, some of these same like cars were much cheaper. The interest rate was lower. Hell, they were giving people 0% interest rate at one point. And they're going to Hyundai dealership right here. Finally, get up off that street. It's like a lot of traffic. A lot of traffic. But yeah, I just want to get on here and do a little quick POV, I guess, kind of rant a little bit. Let me know down below if y'all want to see like a video, I guess, of me like installing or just showing like the after effect of the LED lights that I plan to put in. Like I said, I really want to jazz this car up, kind of like make it my own, essentially, without obviously voiding the warranty. But I want to make it like, like a project, not like a project car where I'm like, tearing up the pipes and putting, down pipes up, whatever. But, yeah. So yeah, that will conclude this POV for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.